Hello everyone. Today I am going to present an original cookies recipe. It's natural cake. How to make a gluten-free biscuit cake without corn, without eggs. It's 100% healthy, so it's a home cake, flour free. Very good for people who are looking to make a vegan diet. Homemade, it's healthy without a dye, without sugar, no oil, without cow's milk. It's not good for the health. Without flour and without gluten also. So the point, I reverse what you saw in this sesame paste. This is the sesame paste. Then the cream caramel is the syrup rub natural date syrup. You can replace it by other natural syrup. You added this second ingredient. You can replace it with pomegranate or grape syrup or honey, natural honey, or agave syrup or stevia. It's good. We mix it all together. Both so in the house to be mixed well. At the end, what you see being added is the flour of the fain. You can replace the powdered almond with hazelnuts, walnuts, chestnuts, or other ingredients, and mix it all together. As you can see, it's a recipe very easy and simple to make. You can do it in a maximum of 3 minutes. Then the time it takes to make it. And explain the video, and then you add gluten-free yeast. So it's up to you to decide whether you want to use it or no. So this is the equivalent of a small spoonful of organic yeast powder, preferably organic, and mix it all together and shape the cake or biscuit as you like. For decoration, you can add coconut powder as well as stuffing the cookies with sultanas or apricots or prunes. Want the biscuit, you put in the oven 180 degrees for 10 minutes on 180 degrees. And here is the result, a beautiful and appetizing external appearance that you can, for following and listening. Have a great day and see you next time for interesting videos. Thanks for your subscribing to my channel, and new will arrive likely. See you too. Bye.